Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see ICAR AIEEA PG question paper with solutions 2020 of Agricultural Engineering. Part 2. If the net amount of irrigation required is 8 cm and the field efficiency is 75%, the gross amount to be applied to the field is 6.66 cm, 8.66 cm, 10.66 cm, 12.66 cm. So the answer is 10.66 cm. So the field efficiency is 75%. Whatever we applied, whatever water we applied, only 75% will get to land. So the answer is greater than 8 centimeter. So if we divide 8 by 0.75, we will get the answer 10.66 centimeter. 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 50 kilocalorie per minute, 50 kilocalorie per hour, 50 kilocalorie per second, 50 calorie per minute. So answer is 50 kilocalorie per minute. Terminal velocity of material is an important property for the design of bucket elevator, belt conveyor, pneumatic dryer, screw conveyor. The answer is pneumatic conveyors. What is standard value of solar constant? 1.75 kilowatt per square meter, 1.50 kilowatt per square meter, 1.36 kilowatt per square meter, 1 kilowatt per square meter. The answer is 1.36 kilowatt per square meters. Process of separating the material according to its commercial value is known as sorting, grading, cleaning, purling. Answer is grading. Which of the following is non-volatile storage? Backup, secondary, primary, cache. Backup. Suitable metering mechanism for wheat seeds is cup feed, cell feed, brush feed, fluted roller. Answer is fluted roller. Compression ratio is an internal combustion engine denotes total cylinder volume plus clearance volume divided by clearance volume, swept volume plus clearance volume divided by clearance volume, swept volume minus clearance volume divided by total cylinder volume, swept volume plus clearance volume divided by swept volume. The answer is swept volume plus clearance volume divided by clearance volume. Maximum noise level from a tractor near the operator's ear should not exceed 110 decibel, 100 decibel, 95 decibel, 90 decibel. LSU dryer was developed by Louisiana State University, India, Louisiana State University, USA, IIT Kharagpur, IRI, New Delhi. The answer is Louisiana State University, USA. Carrying capacity of bucket elevator having 4 buckets per meter moving at a speed of 1 meter per minute with bucket holding capacity 0.1 meter cube will be 15 meter cube per hour, 24 meter cube per hour, 0.4 meter cube per hour, 4 meter cube per hour. So the formula for calculate capacity of bucket elevator is number of buckets per meter into speed of bucket into holding capacity of each bucket into 60. So by putting values in that formula we will get the answer 24 meter cube per hour. In check row planting method, which of the following conditions are to be met? Row to row distance is equal, seed to seed distance in rows is equal, both row to row and seed to seed distance are maintained perfectly, row to row distance is equal to the seed to seed distance. Answer is both row to row and seed to seed distance are maintained perfectly. If plantation is used in a waterlogged area, the type of drainage is called surface drainage, subsurface drainage, mold drainage, biodrainage. The answer is biodrainage. Pyrheliometer is an instrument used for measuring diffuse radiation, direct radiation, both direct and diffuse radiation, global radiation. The answer is direct radiation. And remember that pyranometer is used to measure diffuse radiation. The drying process in which a solid form of water is directly converted to vapor form is spray drying, drum drying, freeze drying, tray drying. The answer is freeze drying. Differential lock in a tractor is used to improve lateral stability, hydraulic lift, braking performance, traction of wheel. The answer is traction of wheel. Tempering degerming is a method of rice milling, corn milling, wheat milling, pulse milling. The answer is corn milling. Which of the following instrument is not used for determination of soil moisture content? 1. Tensiometer, current meter, electric resistance meter, neutron moisture meter. The answer is current meter. Positive entropy of a thermodynamic system indicates heat addition to the system, heat rejection by the system, no addition or rejection of heat to or from the system. Entropy is not related to rejection or addition of heat. Answer is heat addition to the system. The average moisture extraction by plants from first 25% of the soil depth is approximately 50%, 45%, 40%, 35%. The answer of this question I don't know. If you know, please mention in comment box. Laser leveler is used for operation of automated drip irrigation system, determination of groundwater depth, land smoothing operation, determination of root zone moisture. The answer is land smoothing operation. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 COP, size reduction, Kelvin equation, molecular vibration. List 2 conduction, refrigeration, sieve analysis, equilibrium moisture. The answer is COP is refrigeration, size reduction, sieve analysis, Kelvin equation, equilibrium moisture, molecular vibration, conduction. Calculate the power transmitted by a V belt in kilowatt if the speed of belt is equal to 10 meter per second. Tension in tight side of the belt is equal to 100 Newton. Tension in the slack side of the belt 70 Newton. 0.1 kilowatt, 0.2 kilowatt, 0.3 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt. The answer is 3 kilowatt. How to calculate the power transmitted? The formula is tension in the tight side of belt minus tension in slack side of the belt divided by speed of the belt. So we will get 30 divided by 10, 3 kilowatt. Calibration of seed drill refers to testing of seed drill for row to row spacing, plant to plant spacing, correct seed rate, operational width. The answer is correct seed rate. Length of Guntur's chain is 20 meter, 30 meter, 66 feet, 100 feet. The answer is 66 feet. Which of the following condition defines saline soil? EC is equal to electrical conductivity of saturation extract and ESP is exchangeable sodium percentage. EC is less than 4, ESP greater than 15, pH is equal to 10. EC greater than 4, ESP less than 15, pH is equal to 8. EC less than 4, ESP less than 15, pH is equal to 8. EC greater than 4, ESP greater than 15, pH is equal to 10. The answer is EC greater than 4, ESP less than 15, pH is equal to 8. Which of the following permanent gully control structure is used at the head to convey the water safely to the gully bed? Brushwood check dam, drop inlet or pipe spillway, drop spillway, chute spillway. By mistakenly I mention the correct answer is 2, but please correct this. The correct answer is chute spillway. Fortran stands for formula transfer, formula translation, format transformation, formula transformation. So here also formula, the correct answer is formula transformation. Temperature and pressure combination at which water coexists in all form is known as magic point, universal point, absolute point, triple point. The correct answer is triple point. What will be the gravity of a petroleum product in API scale if its specific gravity at 15 degrees Celsius is 0.99, equal to 1, equal to 10, more than 10, less than 10. So to calculate API degree of oil, we have formula API is equal to 141.5 divided by specific gravity of oil at 60 degree Fahrenheit minus 131.5. So by putting value we will get API gravity which is more than 10. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.